I greet on my people on a welcome to One-on-One TV. I beg, I need to ask one question. Waiting at all they happen inside Lagos State. Because if I say Lagos don't turn to the new hellfire. I hear say 5 people again don't die. Inside one building where collapse and others even still dey trapped. And this one they happen inside Lagos again, but for Badagry. On a sure say no be shoemakers now they build this building. Because I no fit even explain this one again. And this building is still under construction. This one no be 21 story. Just 1 story building, pere. This one self don't collapse. In fact, things they really happen. But my people never watch this one, they can follow me see.
Hello, this is the site of the colossal building, Sunnyfield Flower Mill Estate, Gboah, Badagry. The work is going on here right now with excavator.
Now wow, but I just they pray say they go bring out these people before heat go kill them. Or now see as people suffocate for that one. But I beg something they happen, I know they understand. Here na the foundation one of the build now no good. I been na waiting. I been na the people one of the carry come. Now so 21 story building collapse. We hear say 38 people that we still even there on top of that matter. Some people still even they scatter that one. Now another one come they happen. I beg what I thought they happen. If like say time don't reach. Make our Nigerian government make they just create a force. Where we say they go people land, go they investigate. They check if your land no good, you no go build any house. If the equipment where they use, you know good, you know if you build house. Because if like say now because these people they use inferior materials, now why all these kind of things they happen? Instead of you to use better aluminum, you go buy the one where Aboki they say you won't use and build house. Now all these kind of things, now they cause all this kind of palaver. And we suppose they learn. The last time where something happened, where people die for that 21 story building, common beeper on an you operate. So in this case, I think say by now we don't be operate and carry and go. Anywhere where be say person dey, at least think go the beeps okay, life they here. Still on still carry this tractor, I say I call still they use and pursue carry sand. What if this thing at all now go scratch person kill am? Wetin I go talk? And I go talk say na mistake. I don't know why Nigerians say we no even just dey coordinated at all. But I say me I don't talk and make everybody do 5 days crusade. Because this Nigerian na prayer and go carry us last. Because the way people they die, I don't want to talk in our government. But they don't go donate everybody for their COVID. Because the way we every day go, yes, this one don't die, this one don't collapse, explosion don't happen. Last, now prayer now all of us need to. Anyways, my people, now this one now here, now make a bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story. This story is now about the Okoye family. All of us know say for some years now, that is I think 4 to 5 years now, Paul and Peter, who all of us popularly know them as P-Square, 2 of them don't separate, they don't even they near themselves. And then Peter talks here that they disrespect his family. Now why just cut out these people? But right now, I hear say these brothers don't come back together. As they will even celebrate their birthday, they don't plan it, they go do one together. They don't settle their differences. My people never watch this one, you can follow me see.
You crazy. Nigga, you alright? Dismiss. 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 Maybe I propose tomorrow with that. Happy birthday, turn that fire.
Tomorrow on our birthday, so what will we do, sir? I don't know my house thing, I know the. Everybody do it, we'll just move.
Wow, in fact, I did very happy for this family. Because for them to come back, na good thing. If person even born, make we look at 5 years. If you born pikin, if your pikin go down, they talk. Now these people decide say they won't keep malice for. And they're not supposed to be so. Or not supposed they allow peace there. Because now no say blood they thicker than water. I no can see where woman go come in and midst. Woman go talk say, hey, your brother do me this, your this one do me that one. All of a sudden, I will come fight say on one separate. No be so on be ejima, na be twins. So I no see why I'm going to behave like this. But then these ones don't come together. Me, I dey very certain say one new big bang are going to come outside. Because all of us know say for the music industries, these guys they good. They very, very good. So hopefully these people will come outside and sing one better song. And I hope say this on a family reunion, it go last forever. Because we know as devil they work. On if you come out today now, tomorrow we go hear another wahala. Say you sing music, this one talk say no be you sing and another one singer. So I just hope say things go work out for the best. Because make we look at family, your family go always come first. Even if your family offend you, last make you just try forgive them. Because you're not supposed to carry person. If you won't carry person for mind, you're not supposed to be your own blood brother. But so be sure your mama born and two together. Now you can't decide say one they fight you. But anyway, me I like this whole coming back of two of them. It sweets me. So hopefully soon we're gonna hear better bangers from the two of them. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go end this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.